grade one. How are you? I hope you're doing great and you're taking good care of yourself. Today, we are going to talk about two-digit subtraction. We are going to learn how can we subtract a two-digit number from a two-digit number. Let's have a look at our first example. 60 minus 20. In our previous session, we learned how can we add two-digit numbers. 60, for example, plus 20. In this session, we are going to learn how can we subtract a two-digit number with a two-digit number. Okay? And this is our sign. Okay. 60 minus 20. First of all, in adding two-digit number with a two-digit number, I said that we have to add the ones together and the tens together, okay? This is the ones place and this is the tens place, okay? In subtraction, we will also do the same, okay? We are going to subtract the ones together and the tens together, okay? 0 minus 0 is equal 0 because it's the same as adding 0 plus 0 is equal 0. Also in subtraction, 0 minus 0 is also 0. Okay? 6 minus 2. Now we finished subtracting the ones together. Okay? Now we are going to subtract the tens. Okay? 6 minus 2. How can we subtract? Let's remember together. We are going to count from the small number to the bigger one, okay? So after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are these? These are 4. So the answer is 40, okay? We are done with our first example. Let's take another one. 90 minus 40. Okay. We are also going to subtract the ones together and the tens together. Okay. This line is going to make it easier for me to subtract. 0 minus 0, as we said in the previous exercise, it's 0. Do not forget, okay, that 0 minus 0 is equal 0, and 0 plus 0 is also 0, okay? 9 minus 4, as we did also in the previous exercise, we are going to count from the small number to the bigger one. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many are these? These are 5. So the answer is 50, okay? Now let's move on to the third example. 76 minus 20. Okay, this is a little bit different, okay? We are also going to separate these, okay? This is the ones, and this is the tens, okay? Now 6 minus 0 is equal any number subtracted to 0 is going to stay the same number. It's the same as adding. Also in adding, I mentioned the same thing, that when we add any number to 0, it's going to stay the same. Also in subtraction, it's the same. When we subtract any number from 0, it's going to stay the same. It's not going to change, okay? So 6 minus 0 is 6. Now 7 minus 2, after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 5. So the answer is 56. Okay. Now let's move on to our fourth example. 83 minus 10. How can we solve this? Don't forget to put the line before solving, okay? in order not to be confused, okay? Now, first thing, we have to subtract the ones. Remember, we start with subtracting the ones together. 3 minus 0, I said that anything subtracted to 0 is going to stay the same, okay? Now we finished subtracting the ones. Now we are going to subtract the tens, okay? 8 minus 1, we are going to count from the small number to the bigger number. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. These are 7. So the answer is 73. Okay? The answer is 73. I hope you are following up with me, everyone. Okay. Now, we are going to move on to our fifth exercise, which is 58 minus 40. Okay, we're going to put our line. Okay, this is the first thing we do. And then we subtract the ones together and the tens together, as we did previously. 8 minus 0 is 8. It's going to stay the same. Any number subtracted to 0 will be the same. 5 minus 4, after 4, 5. So this is 1. So my answer is 18. Okay. Now we are done with the exercises related to our lesson. In the next video, we are going to look at the problem solving related to our lesson.